Namaskaram friends, welcome to StockEdge. Myself Tufan from the StockEdge team. If you're not aware, StockEdge is a SEBI registered platform. So we are going through intense conflict across the borders and pray for our brave hearts who are fighting across the border, because for them we are able to sustain properly, right? So let's have a look at my earlier videos once. On 23rd of April, I created this video, Hanging Man in Nifty and Bearish Engulfing in Bank Nifty. Since then, I had created multiple videos where I had been telling you continuously that market has not yet bottomed out. This is the daily chart. So the day when Bank Nifty created a bearish engulfing pattern, that is on 23rd of April, bearish engulfing pattern. So what is this pattern all about? It is a two candlestick pattern where the last candle, here you can see properly, this candle completely engulfed the previous candle, right? So the red candle fully engulfed the green candle, which resembles bearishness, correct? So on this day I told that there is very less probability for Bank Nifty to go higher. And if you just check the weekly chart of Bank Nifty, this looks very crazy. Just have a look. Have a look at the previous instances. And we are standing here. We are standing here. Last day I told in this particular video that Bank Nifty, last day actually Bank of Baroda gave a lower circuit, right? So I told that Bank Nifty will come down, and you see today it came down. This was the level earlier. So today it came down, and the next target should be around 52,200. On the higher side, you need to track this breakdown zone, which is roughly, you can say, 54,000. So on the higher side 54,000, and on the lower side it's 52,200 that you need to track for Bank Nifty. Now let's have a look at Nifty. So I explained earlier that if Nifty is a car, it needs fuel to move ahead, right? So who will trigger Nifty to go higher? On this day, which was 23rd April, you can go and check that video which I explained. It created a hanging man. This was a hanging man over here. And it was around 24,370. And I continuously told that Nifty should not cross 24,370. And you can see after that, very few days it went higher, but there was a lot of bearishness. It came down. And today you can see it gave a breakdown from this level, correct? Now, what are the probable levels that you need to track from here? You need to track, on the downside, you need to track 23,850, which is again the previous swing high, this one. Here it acted as a resistance, and if you just stretch it, here it will act as support. Fine, from the law of polarity. Now, in my last video, I explained about 24,000, which is basically a crucial psychological level. And today you can see that Nifty gave a close just above 24,000, just above 24,000. So from here, the levels that you need to track are, on the upside it should be again 24,370, which is basically this blue line, and on the downside initially you need to track 23,850, and below that you need to track 23,500. So friends, I would like to remind you that this May series is a very long series, a long expiry you can say, and from here on the intensity of war between India and Pakistan is going to increase, and I expect market to correct further from here. But this is not a buy sell recommendation. For any kind of recommendation, just consult a financial advisor, because these are all educational videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great trading session ahead. Goodbye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.